Hi everybody, this is the tutorial for Stupid Song. My name's Billy from Piano and Pies. Let's get stuck straight in. This song is in a half step down tuning, so if you want to play along with the track, all your strings need to go down half a step, which would mean the E string becomes an E flat, the A becomes an A flat, D to D flat, G to G flat, B to B flat, and E to E flat. However, more than likely you're in standard tuning right now, so I'm going to play in standard tuning as well. So, the first part of the song is a C major chord. This is the introduction, and we can play. So following what the piano would do, it's 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4. Now if you are not too sure on that strumming, it's 1, 2 and 3, 4 and, which is down, up, down, down, up. And what I'm going to do is play that round twice. To play a C major chord, you need 3 on the A, 2 on the D, open G, 1 on the B, and an open E. We don't play the low E string for this chord. The other chord that we need for the introduction is an F major chord, which is 3 on the D, 2 on the G, 1, 1 on the B and E. And we'll play the same rhythm. So when you put the full introduction together, we get C, F major, we then get to the first verse. That's when Olivia starts to sing, and we take the same 2 chords and loop it round 4 times. So C to F, 4 in a row. We then get to a pre-chorus where things change and we have some new chords. So it's worth mentioning that if you'd like the chord chart for this song, which has the full structure and all the chords within that structure, as well as another sheet of the chords and lyrics matched up, let's say you're singing or playing along and you need to know which chord and which lyric match up perfectly, then head on over to Patreon. I've got you covered. For the price of a coffee, you get access to not only this song, but a bunch of songs off a brand new album and past few albums, and well over 800 songs of all the latest releases, so feel free to check that out. However, let's dig in with this pre-chorus, which starts with an A minor. And that is 2 bars, just like all the other chords up to now. A minor is an open A string, 2, 2 on the D and G, 1 on the B, and an open E. And what happens is, we go from A minor twice to F major twice, like this. We then have another new chord of D minor, which is an open D, 2 on the G, 3 on the B, 1 on the high E. And then finally for this pre-chorus, one more new chord, G major, 3 on the E, 2 on the A, 0, 0, 0, and then a 3 on the high E. If you're familiar with G major, which includes 3 on the B, feel free to use that. It's just 2 different voicings of the same chord. So I'll now play the full pre-chorus in one go, shouting out the chords as well. A minor, F, D minor, G major. At this point we have a small interlude, a bit of an instrumental. It's just 2 bars of C major. Now at this point the second verse kicks in and we do play the same chords as we did for the first verse. C to F 4 times, but as there's more instrumentation, the song's building up, rather than playing just, what we could do instead is add a little bit more to our strumming like this. It kind of takes what we did but adds more strumming, and that strumming is down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. Or if you prefer to count along, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. After 4 times round the first verse, we have another pre-chorus, exactly the same as the first, so A minor, F, D minor, G, and then we get to a chorus which does have a bit of a difference. So let's break it down. We have the C major chord, F major, we have then D minor, and G major. But on this second chorus, we stop the G major. The first chorus, we keep playing 2 bars of G. On this one, we stop. After another instrumental of 2 C major chords, we then get to the bridge where things change yet again. So we have F major, again, a third time, C and G. Then you repeat. Then D minor, again, F, and G major. So that is an absolute ton of different chords, so feel free to rewind, go back and play it again, or get the sheets over on Patreon so you can follow it along. Now looking at my notes, which is what's over on Patreon, we have another interlude, another instrumental, and unlike every other instrumental, which is 2 bars of C, this time we have 8 bars of C. So you're just chugging away on that one chord. We then have another chorus, same as the previous chorus. We then have a pre-chorus, which is exactly the same as the other pre-chorus, and then one last chorus, which again is exactly the same, but we finish the song with a C major chord. So there we go, that's everything you need to get through this song. If you found it useful, please do like and subscribe, which really helps out the channel, and consider getting the extra material on Patreon. I also want to say a quick thank you to the people floating by on the screen. Those folks are my active patrons, so when this video goes live, they'll get access to that content straight away. So thanks to them for their support, thanks to you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.